Get back to me if I don't wait. Stop it. Why is my thing not? Okay, I swear to God, it's like fucking sorry, my nose. Oh, good shot. Music. Give me money, music. Do you from here? He's got a broad, smart idea. Who gives a fuck? Anyway, look at that. Okay, I'm bringing this. My computer. Apples, apples. I don't know what else hot. I got clothes, I got my Switch. I'll charge to have an AC adapter. I'm gonna do that face. Oh, I'm out of it. Come with me. Yeah, see. Oh, okay. It smells weird in here. But yeah, this is what is in here on the bottom floor. Thing, something. What the fuck is this? Guess what this is? I have no idea what it is. Anyways, it's wet. Ew. Alright, let's go. Alright. Should we bring this? Or this? So we do need fucking shampoo conditioner for our Airbnb, so pretty sure that Airbnb don't have any. Think about bringing this, and then this, and then, I mean, shouldn't we go with this as well for body wash? I don't smell it, I smelled it before. Oh, it smells so good though. Or should we just bring this? I know. Yeah, you know what, I think these are good. These. Yeah, so just put that right here, and then bring these. Close it. Whoa, turn it off. You go in the room. Try that, and that in there. Oh god, it's fucking heavy. No, wait, just wait one. I need to try to find this at 12%. Please charge. Why is it not charging? Please fucking charge. Can you see this light? Alright, here we go. And then, let's put these here. Put this there. Oh, I think I got it good, right? Oh, that's good, right? After. Oh, wait, let's turn it on. It's weight, bro. I think this is just like. It's tired. I mean, yeah, this is. Oh, why am I talking now? Holy shit. Anyway, that's it. Bye. Get back with me if I don't wait.